exquisite. In this timely class, we will be learning about safe and dangerous electromagnetic waves.
Yes, I remember. We previously had a class about electromagnetic and mechanical waves.
That's true. Do you remember what electromagnetic waves are?
Yes. You taught me that they are waves, which do not require any medium for their propagation. They can travel through empty space.
That's correct.
The opposites are mechanical waves, which require something, or a medium to propagate. They cannot travel through empty space.
That's correct, Titi. I'm glad you still remember all these. Do you remember any examples of electromagnetic waves?
Yes, I remember. Light waves and radio waves are examples of electromagnetic waves.
Correct. Those are the two most common examples of electromagnetic waves we find around us. But they are not the only examples.
Okay.
There are about 5 other examples, added to this too, to make a total of 7 known electromagnetic waves. We will learn about some of them in this class, and then about the others in the next class.
Okay. Please, let's do it.
Okay. I will start by letting you know that some electromagnetic waves are really dangerous when we expose our bodies to them, while others are safer when we do same.
Ah. I guess light waves are among the safe ones. And maybe they are the safest.
Yes, you are right. Light waves are safe, but they are not actually the safest.
Oh. I see. Which ones are the safest?
I will tell you, but before I do, can you tell me why you think that light waves are safe?
Because they are always all around us. We are very frequently exposed to light, so they shouldn't be harmful. If they were harmful, we would all have been harmed by them.
That's correct, and it's a nice way to think. Do you know that radio waves are also usually always around us?
No, I don't.
Okay, they are. Radio waves are also usually very much around us.
Really? I did not realize this.
Yes, and that is because our eyes cannot detect them. We know easily about light, because our eyes can detect light.
Oh. I see, but how do we know that radio waves are always around us?
Simple. There are lots of equipment that can be used. A common one is the transistor radio, which we usually use to listen to news.
Okay. Yes, when I'm listening to news on my transistor radio, it's because my transistor radio has detected the radio waves.
That's correct. And do you realize that you can even detect several of those waves from the comfort of your home?
That's true, Sensei. Does it mean that these radio waves are always around us, whether or not we tune to them with our transistor radios?
Yes, Titi. They are always there. We just detect them by tuning to them with our transistor radios.
Ah. That means there are lots of them always around us. Even when we sleep?
Yes, usually many of them. And by the way, those ones are just the radio waves made and transmitted by humans. There are also usually other radio waves always around us, that come from the sun, the stars, and other sources out there in space.
Wow. That's weird. Now, tell me, are radio waves also safe?
Yes, radio waves are safe. They are actually the safest of all electromagnetic waves we know.
Thank God. I was beginning to get concerned because radio waves are always around us, and it's going to be hard to stay away from them. I am relieved to know that radio waves are also safe.
Great. But you see X-rays?
Yes, I once heard about X-rays when I went to the hospital with my dad.
That's because X-rays are usually used in hospitals to take photographs, especially of our bones and inner tissues, which cannot be seen by our eyes, or in ordinary photographs.
Okay.
The X-ray is another example of electromagnetic wave. It is dangerous, it is not safe.
Oh. Was that why I saw a sign of danger at the door of the X-ray room?
Yes, That was it. Previously, X-rays were also used to take the photographs of pregnant women, to see the situation of unborn babies in their mother's womb. But because of the danger it poses to the mother and the baby, that practice is phasing out, and been replaced with other safer technologies.
Okay, I see. The X-ray is an example of electromagnetic wave that is dangerous to our bodies. Is it the most dangerous of all the electromagnetic waves?
No, it's not. I will tell you about the most dangerous of them in the next class. I will also tell you what makes an electromagnetic wave dangerous or safe. But before we end this class, can you give me a summary of the things you learned?
Yes, I learned that. 1. There are a total of about 7 electromagnetic waves. 2. Some of the electromagnetic waves are safe, while others are dangerous. 3. Light and radio waves are examples of safe electromagnetic waves. Radio waves are the safest of all electromagnetic waves we know. 4. X-rays are dangerous electromagnetic waves. They are used in hospitals to image bones and tissues that cannot be seen or imaged on ordinary photographs. They are not the most dangerous of electromagnetic waves.
That's great. See you in the next class, where we will be learning about something called the electromagnetic spectrum. In that class, I will also tell you exactly what makes an electromagnetic wave to be dangerous or safe. See you then.